This is a presentation of the all-new BKI Compact Combination Oven, boiler and boilerless units. Here's programming. Note the programming is the same as a CombiKing, except the programs are not interchangeable. We now have a regeneration program for reheating a product, full service, full manual, and full recipe. We're going to the manual to build programs. We'll first choose the mode of cooking: convection, combi, steam, or hold. Let's pick combi, and we'll touch and adjust the temperature to where we would like it for cooking. And note you can either touch the screen or the knob to save the temp. And now for the time, we would do the same thing and touch the knob or the screen to adjust the fan, the same. And let's say we wanted probe. We would touch the probe picture, choose core probe, and note the time went away and internal temperature showed up. You can now touch it and choose your finished temperature interiorly. If you choose to go back to time, just touch the clock and you're now back at time and adjust the time accordingly. You also can build the second of 9 up to 9 steps from this by touching the phase. And now you can build by way of opening vents, dropping cool downs, choosing a different mode. Now to save that program, you touch save, choose whatever grouping you'd like the menu in, and type in the name, and I'm going to call it VEQ, and we're going to erase the other letters at the top, hit memory, and it is saved now in the programs and you can get it. To start it, you would push the start program. To return to the previous page, you would push the page back and you're back to the beginning. You can also use the menu button to return, and this is the light button that would be hit to turn on the light inside. That's manual cooking. Recipe cooking, you'll note you have 6 icons. We no longer have a poultry icon. The poultry is in the meat section. Note meat, including poultry, are shown in this area. And very simply, we would choose the product, hit the button, start the oven. In fish, the same way. And if probe comes up, we would make sure that the probe was installed in the product and hit the start button and you're up and cooking. Under service, you'll see we have a wash program, descaling for boilerless, time and date setting, parameters for service, and backlighting. To pick the wash, we would touch wash, and there are 3 choices: hard, normal, and soft. And we pick which one we want. We're returning now to the service program to get out of that. Also in manual cooking, you will see the rack track program, which is very important. Touch the picture of the rack track. You can adjust up to 6 timed cooks within the same temperature and moisture use. So let's say we picked combi. We wanted it 170 degrees. We would set the speed of the fan all the way. We would touch the moisture desired. And now we can program up to 6 times, 1 for each rack, by touching the clock and setting the time and saving it, all the way up to 6. Now we're going to go in and choose steam, and I need to show you something important. A steam tuner. We're patented with this steam tuner. It allows you to adjust the amount of moisture within steam, which is very important for cooking delicate products, all the way to the left with very light steam, all the way up to very aggressive steam for cooking corned beef, root vegetables, and full cavities of rice. This will allow you to choose the right steam for the right product. Also, a cool down is able to be scheduled here, and also a preheat can be scheduled. And my comment is, don't cheat the preheat. Every program should have a preheat. To revert back to the main program, just touch the screen back and you're there. You've seen a quick presentation of the BKI compact combi ovens. For more information, please contact customer service at 1-800-927-6887. Thanks for joining us.